Alright, on today's video, we are back at the range, and today we are going to be testing out this Sinterfire 10mm ammo. Now, I picked this up about a month ago. I saw it at Rural King. I'm just now getting around to making a video on it. Now, normally 10mm, I reload all that ammo, and the only thing I shoot is reloads. But the reason I bought this was because of that right there. It's only 125 grain. So, it wasn't too expensive for the box. I think it was like 28 bucks. And I want to run it through a chrono because since it's only 125 grain, I want to see how fast it is. So we're going to get the chrono set up. We're going to shoot some groups with it, see how well it groups, see how fast it is through the chrono, and just have some fun with it. Alright, now I brought two guns out to test this ammo. We're going to be running the Glock 40. This is a 6-inch barrel. This has the Swamp Fox cracking on it. And you've seen this gun quite a few times on the channel. It's one of my favorites. A lot of fun shooting this. Since we got the chrono out here, I also brought the high point out here. I want to run that 10mm through a longer barrel. Since it's only 125 grain, I want to see how fast it is. So this is the 10mm high point carbine in the Hightower Armory stock with the Viridian Eon red dot. Alright, let's start out with a 5-shot group. Got 5 rounds loaded up. We're going to shoot at the top left target. Camera's down there running. Let's see how it groups. Alright, let's do a do-over here. Going to shoot the top right target. Camera's down there rolling. Pretty good group. Alright, we got 5 rounds loaded up. We're going to shoot a group with the high point. Now, I got this sighted in at 25 yards, so we're going to aim a little high on that bottom right target. Alright, we got the chrono set up. We're going to shoot 5 rounds with the Glock and 5 rounds with the carbine. Alright, I only got 2 tripods out here today, so I'll call off the numbers as they're going through the chrono. Let's shoot at the top right target. $13.21. $13.43. $13.26. $13.30. $13.15. It's pretty quick, but I actually thought they were going to be faster than that. Alright, here's our chrono results. Alright, I got 5 rounds loaded up in the high point. Just going to run these through the chrono. Bottom left target. 1481. 1480. 1479. 1464. 1481. Really nice group too. Alright, let's review. 1481. 1464. 1479. 1480. And 1481. Pretty consistent. Alright, I got a piece of steel sitting down there on the ground at about 20 yards. Got the high point loaded up with 10 rounds. Let's see how hard these rounds hit that steel. So they hit it pretty hard. Knocked it over. Alright, we got 8 rounds left in this mag. Try this again. Alright, my final thoughts on this Sinterfire 125 grain 10mm ammo. It's decent ammo. It groups nice. All 50 rounds went off. We didn't have any failure to fires. Nothing crazy happened with it. It ran good in the Glock. Ran good in the high point. So, decent ammo. Now, I looked these guys up online because I've never bought Sinterfire ammo before. Never used it. And it looks like everything that they make is like a lead-free ammo. And obviously this is lead-free. I forgot to tell you that at the beginning of the video. But anyway, it groups nice. I really honestly thought it was going to be a little faster out of the Glock. At 125 grains, I thought we were definitely going to be over 1,400 feet per second. Now, we did get that out of the high point. I think we're probably looking at 130, 140 feet per second difference between the 6-inch barrel on the Glock and the longer barrel on the high point. I can't remember on the high point what the barrel length is. It's 16 or a little over. But other than that, decent ammo. And the nice thing is, I got 50 pieces of brass to use to reload my own 10mm. Might mess around with something like this. Might try to find a lighter projectile to reload. See if we can get those speeds up. But anyway, Sinterfire ammo. If you're having a hard time buying 10mm, you see this at a Rural King or another store, grab a box of it. It groups nice and it's fairly reliable. And for the price of 10mm right now, it's pretty cheap actually. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.